It's like a soft shell crab. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He worked!
Joe Fowler here, and this is the new Real Steel Rand. Watch it rock, watch it chop, watch it slice, watch it dice. For all your chicken noodle and rice recipes. It's great. Watch it do everything that a real knife will do, but fast.
Covered in mammoth tusk.
3,000 RPM, baby! Woo!
Good morning, guys. This is Joe from Joseph Fowler Maker YouTube channel. And as always, I've got another weird build for you guys. Last time we made the Wheel of Time sword, something I'm really proud of. But this time, we're gonna be making someone who can use it. And no, not me. If you watched that clip in the last video, I'm terrible at this. We are gonna be making a Turbo Chop action figure. This is bringing up that inner child out of me, the childlike wonder. Although some would say that I'm still a grown-up child, so I don't know if it's that deep, but first step, as always, is we gotta do some good planning. Like my dad always says, draw a picture, we gotta plan it out. I want this guy to be deadly. Let's see how it goes, guys.
Do I undergo the surgery for the sake of power? Yes, I will become powerful, then stronger than all the rest. Super duper strong. The Krabby Patty formula.
I need to get a life. I got a wife, but no life. Now we just have to find some way to fit our parts in. This is a 90-degree right angle drill attachment. I gotta find a way to attach this inside his body. So we're gonna fuse these together. So this part that spins will be this part here. This is just like when I was practicing to be a surgeon. Really get those abs pronounced. Oh, wait, wrong surgery. I'm having too much fun here. Look, come on guys, stop being a child. There's underwear lines right there. It's like boxers. See? We will remove the legs. Once we have the spinning ability, we will be taking the arms and fusing them together. Close your eyes. It's like a soft shell crab. Poor son of a gun. Some Chinese torture method here. This is crazy. Oh no. I'm just gonna take and glue his pelvis back together. Modern medicine really is amazing. Also, if you guys are looking for like good cheap epoxy, I like this Gorilla stuff. Let this dry. Mr. Action Figure Man, he is all glued. His upper torso is glued to his lower torso, which means he is a solid, absolute unit. We need to mount something into his lower torso. We need to take something and just drill a hole and put it up into the action figure. Bam! I always like to keep a box of bits. It helps me kind of to decide what I need here. Hey guys, so we got this bit attachment ground in with all these lines. What that allows us to do is the epoxy to seep into those lines, creating a really good grip so that this thing is not gonna fall out. Because again, if this thing is, I put some heavy duty springs on it, I do not want this thing to like fly out and like, ugh, it's gonna be I'm gonna, if my wife comes home and I got an action figure sword sticking out of my neck, she's gonna kill me if the sword doesn't. I don't want that. Careful, doctor. Oh yeah, baby. Now he is a tool bit. Check that out. That is like the perfect amount of spin there. Guys, we are, you know, you and me, we got a team going here. We're really doing a good job. But let's get some more epoxy mixed up. Look at that. He's got a bit coming out of him. He's a little bit broken, but we're gonna put him back together, baby. He's gonna be better than ever. He ain't gonna be broken no more, huh? You have anything to say for yourself, Sticks? Stones? Nothing? I don't know if you guys have used this stuff before. It's mainly for plumbing. You can mix it up and it dries pretty quickly. So the trick with this stuff is you take an equal amount, you pinch it off. So let's take that much off there. Take this, mish it up, then I usually just give it a twist and then fold it. Twist and fold it. You definitely gotta make sure this is mixed up. So you don't wanna see any like strata lines in here. Can't get any epoxy into the tip here because that's what spins. So we are going to mold this into more of a round, like a log shape. And we're gonna mount it around here. And then we are going to press our piece into it. I want these legs to fit back in. So I'm gonna make some pockets. It looks just like underwear. Pretty good here. He does stand on his own. Bam! It's so funny. I can't stop laughing every time I look at it, but it's also kind of scary. I just imagine this guy like getting out of surgery being like, why can't I only move my inner thighs and ankles? Why can't I bend my knees? We gotta mount it so that there's an O-ring here and an O-ring somewhere in his back and find out the right stretch for these so that when he turns, he snaps back in line. You know what? That might work if we do 2 of them. Still feels too weak. I don't know if we need another spring system. Turn him and then let go, he'll snap back into place. Nice, oh, look at that handle. Ah! You almost think I knew what I was doing. Almost. Oh yeah. We are ready to go with our test chopping. We're gonna chop this up. I had my wife pick up some celery. Could you go get that, honey? And we are going to be like getting this all ready to go. We're gonna test this out, see him cut some celery. It's gonna be awesome. Go get the celery.
I don't have any celery.
What? She's got the celery. She's got the celery. What do you have to say for yourself? You've disappointed YouTube.
Oops.
Oops. Oops. Oops.
Whoops.
Whoopsies.
Whoopsie is what you say, like when you, like, I don't know.
Commit tax fraud.
Whoops. Okay, guys. That's so funny.
Whoops, tax fraud.
There we go, guys. That stuff is starting to harden up. Bada boom, bada bing. It's a beautiful thing. We're gonna pop off his arms and we're gonna pop off his legs. Start out with that. You know, that's not bad, guys. Hey, hey, hey! Take a look at that. Move this out of the way. Paint some happy little arms. Ooh, I got your ear. Yee, wet willy. Oh my goodness, isn't that terrifying? New real steel rand. Ho ho ho, look at that, guys. What a beefcake, huh? I like to dance, We are going to do our test to see if real steel rand can make the cut. Oh my goodness, guys. It wasn't caught on camera, but I almost killed my wife. I started flicking this thing to see if it would go, and can you see where the sword is?
It went right by my face.
I kid you not. I did not make this up, guys. That thing flew through the air.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. I almost just killed my wife.
Whoopsies.
Well, guys, I don't know what to tell you here. We built this thing with all these springs to chop through it, and I'm rather disappointed. It needs more power. I don't know what to do. I mean, we could put bigger springs on it, but the issue is our handle that's octagon shaped, it just doesn't hold up. I start turning it, I put enough torque, and it slips right off. So I don't know what to do. It's a shame. I don't know what else we could use for more power. We need more power. It is a drill attachment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you kidding me? Guys, that was a success. That was everything I'd ever dreamed of. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh man, I'm so excited, guys. He worked. I think we got it. This is everything I had ever wanted for, you know, first it was making the sword for the action figure, then it was the real turbo chop. And I mean, you know, the proof is in the celery.
Joe Fowler here, and this is the new Real Steel Rand. Watch it rock, watch it chop, watch it slice, watch it dice. For all your chicken noodle and rice recipes. It's great. Watch it do everything that a real knife will do, but fast. That was an infomercial, that's what I'd say. You know, maybe we need like an 80s, 90s style action figure commercial. I think that might be the next video, guys. So hey, if you like Wheel of Time, if you like these crazy builds we're doing, the swords, the action figures, the weird stuff, tune in next time where we are going to be making a 80s, 90s style action figure commercial where we will showcase all the good things about Real Steel Rand. Boom. Hey, if you liked the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you liked it, like it. If you hated it, you know, I don't know why you're still here, but hey, anyways, thanks for watching it regardless. The views still count. Have a good one, guys.
Nothing will stop me. That would be so great.
Yeah, like Cicero from like Skyrim. Oh, yeah. Pops from regular show. So he'd be like, oh, yes, Mordecai. It's so stupid.
Dislike, dislike,
Dislike, dislike, dislike, dislike, dislike, dislike.